Hey guys, we are going to have some fun today. Now before I get into this awesome piece of walnut I have here on the mill, I want to take a minute to update you guys on a couple of past videos. Earlier this year, I made a video where I was mass producing cookies for a viewer in Bend, Oregon. He was going to use those cookies as pavers in his yard, and that was something I had never heard of. I asked him to send me some pictures, so he has, and this is what he is using them for, and it's pretty creative. I think it's a pretty unique way to use that wood. It's a little drier over where he's at, so hopefully it'll last a while. It's mostly cedar as well, so that should help. And also, my buddy Andrew came and picked up his lumber a couple weeks ago, and he has started building his shed. He has also sent me some pictures of the progress. It looks like it's coming along pretty good. I'll try and keep you guys updated as he sends me more pictures on that. I hear one of my small humans sneaking up on me. What's up, dude? Viewer Richard, all the way from Virginia, made me this awesome wooden license plate on his CNC router and sent it to me, and I think that this thing is absolutely amazing. He says he's done this for some family members and stuff in the past and thought I should have one, and I will be putting this on my wall along with my other Northwest Sawyer sign. So thank you very much, Richard. This is really awesome. And lastly, I'd like to welcome the over 2,000 subscribers that have joined in the last couple weeks. It's always awesome when a video does well and a lot of people come on board. So I hope you enjoy the show. I've got this awesome piece of English walnut, so let's get to it. All right, well, I've got about 34 inches across the span of this crotch here, and I can only get my sawmill through 26 inches. So first order of business is going to be to lop off these ears, probably on both sides to even it out, and then I'll lay it flat, and there should be some insane crotch figure in this piece. So let's get to it. I'm probably going to end up fighting this, but I want the boards to be as wide as possible, and I've got about 25 3/4 inches across here now. I'm going to have to lay this perfectly to be able to pass the saw head through it, but if I can make them that wide, I think it's going to pay off. So let's get this sucker rolled over. Alright, I'm going to cut some of this, try and get a flat spot on it perpendicular to these edges that I cut off of the crotch. There might be something neat in this too. I'll do some thick cuts out of this. make a nice charcuterie board. Dinosaur head. Mark. There's actually some really neat curling even in the sapwood. I'm just getting into the heartwood, but now that I've got a nice flat reference side, you know, I think I'm changing my mind. I think I'm going to just keep slabbing it down. I need to scoot this edge over just a little bit, but I think I'm just going to keep slabbing it down the way I've got it. I think we're going to start seeing some really neat stuff here.
Wow.
Is that awesome or what?
That's really cool.
Think we can make something cool out of that?
Yeah.
This one will look just like that until I flip it over. Oh. Oh my gosh.
This one.
Ooh-wee.
What?
Look at that.
I know. It looks really good. Now this is the kind of table material.
Yeah. That is phenomenal.
Yeah. That one's cool.
Isn't that crazy?
The knot in there?
Yeah.
This would be...
Doesn't it look like flames?
Flames?
Kind of looks like
yeah.
flames.
Oh yeah, it does.
Well, see, I need this to be over outside of this a little bit in order for it to pass all the way down.
Yeah.
Because I think I might be a little bit too wide there. So let's see.
You're gonna have to like cut it?
Well, I might have to. Can you do me a favor, son?
Yeah.
The lever closest to that side, I need you to lift it up for a second. A little more. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Oh shoot, I see what's happening. Okay, go down with it, please. Actually, no, I can do it. Wow. I think this one and the one underneath it are going to make some insane book match slabs. Let's have a look. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man. Well, I don't want to spoil it. I got one more slab to cut out of this and then it's pressure washing time. My favorite part of the video. That's insane. Oh, you can't even see it. Let me fix that for you. Well, I lost you guys for a second. I don't know where, but the point is, I've got one more walnut log like this that I'm going to put up here right now because I want to see it. This is unbelievable. Now this one here might look like a giant mess, and that is largely because it is. It's got limbs coming out of all over the place. But it's got all these knobs that were limbs that were cut off at some point. This is over 12 feet long, and there's no way that something with this much going on is going to dry worth a darn. I think I'm going to cut it in half and slab it out kind of thick. I might go about 3 inches thick on these slabs, and that way, if it does, not if, but when it dries all wonky, I'll have plenty of room to be able to mill it down on my router sled and hopefully have something left over to work with. So I'm gonna go get my chainsaw and whack this in half. I have a feeling there's gonna be some rot in the middle here. So we'll just open it up. The worst case scenario is it's some fancy firewood. Well, there's a rotten limb here that's just about in the middle of this thing. So I'm gonna whack it right there, and that'll kind of give me an idea what's inside this thing as far as rot. Not as bad as I was expecting. Looks like it's actually pretty solid. Nice. What I think I'll do is I'll make a couple of passes, get a flat spot on there, flip it 180 just like I did the other one. Just never gets old. Well, I decided to hold off on this piece for today. It's starting to get kind of late and I want to get this video edited and posted for tomorrow morning. I just got a comment from JT in Texas who said some 3-inch thick chunks of this wood would make great gun stock, so that's what I might do. Since this stuff is going to be pretty unstable with how many limbs and everything going on, I might cut this into 3 or 4 inch thick slabs and set it aside for specifics like that. So we'll get to this one at another time. Right now it's time to go down and hit these slabs with the pressure washer and see what we got. Well guys, that's going to do it for today. I appreciate you guys watching. Birdie, I appreciate you checking in on Rayla Dog. She's doing great. And stick around. We'll see you guys real soon. What is that? Ha ha!